back with a clothing haul. That's why I have on this robe. I'm doing a clothing haul for you guys. So I just wanted to come on first and let you guys know that it is on a clothing company called Kovered Clothing and Accessories. This is her actual card, and I also have, well, she also have on the back her actual social media handles and everything. So you definitely should check her out. But of course, I will have that information in the description box below. So like I said, definitely check her out. You really won't regret it. So yes, let me just get into it. Also, I wanted to let you guys know beforehand, before I get into the actual haul, that this lovely boutique definitely has a good, like real cute. When I say real cute, like real cute. Like cute, like toot, cute. She has a real cute sale going on right now. Everything in her boutique is $25 and under. Yes, you heard it right. I said $25 and under. Like under, like pleasure, P, under. Like, that's my favorite song by him, by the way. But anyways, yeah, like everything is $25 and under, like I said. And also, that excludes all new arrivals. But like I said, the boutique is real cute. So trust me, you will get you a real two little outfits for $50, real cute early Christmas gift from me to you. Like I said, tell her Christmas sent you, Kimmy Krack sent you, and you will be right. $25. It's real tight. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're real cute. So enough of me rambling. Let me get on with the actual haul. So see you guys later. Bye. So this is the two-piece. It's in the color black. This is what it's actually going to be labeled as when you go on the website as well, in the color black. It's too cute, very sporty, very comfortable, casual. You guys can see. Let me show you the back. It's really cute, yeah, you know. So yeah, your girl got big boobs or whatever. Let me try to second my stomach for y'all. I'm coming up close. Okay, like when you wear stuff like this, you gotta like stand like this, like and be bouncing. Ain't no music in there, but you just be bouncing. That's like that's how you gotta be. And like two pieces like this. Or you gotta like walk it like a dog. That's what this two piece give me. Walk it like a dog. Walk it like hey, walk it like a come on. Okay. So so yes, this is definitely a nice piece. I really like it. It's in a large. Me, I'm a type of person that likes my clothes big. So that's why I have it in a large. But if you are a girl that likes your clothes fit, I would definitely say size down, of course. But like I said, I do like my clothes comfortable. So yes, it has the elastic band to like scoop you in. Has, of course, you know, this one gives it more casual, you know. And like I said, one thing, I'm sorry, I don't know if I said it, but I would definitely pair this with a nice jean, not jean, a tennis shoe. I don't know where I get jeans from, but yes, I definitely pair this with some jeans, some real cute jeans. It also has a hoodie on the back. Show you guys the hoodie. So guys, I really do like this two-piece, y'all. I really do. This definitely gives me like movie night or something, going out with the girls, probably like to a bar or something. Like I said, accessorize it up. Also, put you on some nice jeans. I mean, why I keep saying jeans, y'all? A nice tennis shoe, and you'll be good to go, sis. Let me try to suck me in. Like I said, and then you don't forget when you do get this two-piece, be like this. Like bouncing. Just bouncing. No music, sis. Bouncing. Because that's what you got to get when you wear this. I'm just telling y'all. Like, don't say I ain't never warn you now. Like, and just be stank walk. That's all you got to do. I'm telling you. That's all you got to do. I'm trying to get you guys. Child, y'all this anyway. So anyways. So move right along to the next outfit. The next piece is called Denim. She's real nice, very sophisticated. Yes, she's real cute, y'all. Like real cute. Real cute. Yeah, so denim. I'm feeling denim. I can wear denim to work, like, and get them girls what they need at work. This what they need at work. I feel so grown woman. Like when I actually wear this, I want Beyonce grown woman playing in the background. That's how I'm feeling. Like I'm feeling like I'm grown. I ain't got time. I got bills. Like that's what you like with this. You gotta just pose. You don't even talk. You just pose. The actual jumpsuit speaks for itself. You just pose. I'm just telling you, that's all you gotta do, just pose. Sus. Cause like, you don't even do too much. A clear little heel, those like scrap clear heels, and you a real little cute little purse. Like not even big, you don't even do that. Well, better yet, you can. You can do a big purse and just hold her like this. Like this. You just hold her like that. That's all you gotta do. I'm just telling you, that's all you gotta do. And then you just walk in like this. Like you just about to sing, like this. Cause you just letting them hoes know, like, sorry, don't call them hoes, but just let them know. Like this. And you just sway. You don't even, no, okay. No, I have water. That's how you have to be with this. Like, with denim, that's what you gotta do. I'm telling you. I love this jumper. Everyone that knows me knows this is definitely my style. I love this jumper. I just love it. You don't even be loud when you have something like this on. You just, yeah. Yes, I'm doing well on yourself. Like, that's how you don't even do too much. I'm telling you. I gave y'all actual night and day. I gave you guys actually hot girl and career girl. Career woman, actually. I gave y'all now. Y'all don't even see when I get, you get what I'm saying? Like when I drop the jewels and the trequettes, y'all don't even see that. Love your work, ladies. That's what this gives you. Love your work, ladies. So, insane. So, that is definitely the haul for today, y'all. Like I said, the actual clothing company is called Kovered Clothing and Accessories. Her information will be in the description box below. So definitely check her out. And you guys, trust me, like I said, you won't regret it. And yes, remember, $25 on the sun. I'm listening. Don't say I never gave you anything. 25. I know you guys are like, why is she bending over like this? Cause sis, I really want you to know it's 25 under. Notice the size on the under. Like, come on. So yes, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me and checking out my videos. It's more hauls and reviews and everything coming your way. Don't say nothing about my hair not being bumped like I told y'all. I don't know how to flat ass, so shut up. And yes, thank you. Love you guys. Bye.